Hi guys, Alec here, Nature with Alec at the beautiful Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard on the property of Chabad of Thousand Oaks, and it's amazing time right now. I see my oranges and tangerine blooming right now. Lemon is blooming. Smells so good. Such a beautiful fragrance around here in the orchard, and already have a few flower buds in my Sugar Dragon and Mr. Wu. So loading right now, guys, your orders. Thank you so much who replied to my posts and getting orders on the Sugar Dragon plants, rooted plants, and lots of more deals right now that we have. I just show you that I loaded the orders right now. Didn't have enough space even in on my passenger driving seat because the car is fully loaded with 1,000 pounds of materials. I got the organic fertilizer. I got fish emulsion fertilizer over here. It's a new gallon that I got. I got 4 cubics, huge bags of perlite. Another hundreds and hundreds of containers, 1 gallon, 2 gallons, 5 gallons containers. You can see over here. I previously ordered a couple hundred containers, and we're loading more because we're planning to root lots of cuttings of different variety. And this is, we're talking about 700 pounds of soil that we're gonna mix it with the existing soil. I dug out, probably 1 cubic yard of good soil from our property, which is already fertilized with horse manure over the years. It's plenty of the fertilizers in this soil, soaked completely. So we're loading. Thanks God for my car. My car is my horse. I love this car. It's loading thousands of pounds. Honda Odyssey, running for 14 years, and I'm praying for this car every time. It saves me lots of unloading material, delivery, and everything else. So guys, looking forward to talk to you. Please continue to send your messages with your updates. I'm so happy to hear your guys' updates when you send me from all over the world, even people who rooting the cuttings, and people germinating the seeds. Wherever I send you in Jamaica, in Middle East, in Europe, people germinating seeds from my varieties, and 2 years later they're so happy to update me with already harvesting the fruit from their beautiful dragon fruit orchards. Okay, so again, you can see my phone number is 323-547-1273. You can find me on Facebook, you can find me Instagram, you can find me all different channels. Wish you all the best. Happy Earth Day and greetings from Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard. Bye bye.